Thank you. Good morning, everybody. Today our topics is ratio, similarity, and symmetry. Exercise 14 of subject General Math. Last class we just have solved various theorem of this exercise. That was exercise. That was the theorem 30. Internal bisector of an angle of a triangle divides its opposite side in the ratio of the sides constitute to the angle. Okay. Today the theorem is 31. Theorem 31. So what is the statement? If any side of a triangle, if any side of a triangle is divided internally the line segment from
Sir,
the
কত number chapter?
exercise
স্যার অন্য পোলাপানের রিকোয়েস্ট একসেপ্ট করেন স্যার
request কোথায় আমি the line segment from the point of division to the opposite vertex bisects that the angle at the vertex.
From the point of a পরে কি?
It is simply the statement of theorem 31. You can see in your book, any sides of a triangle is divided internally. The line segment from the point of division to the opposite vertex bisects that the angle at the vertex. Okay, bisect the angle at the vertex. So we have to draw a figure. Okay, we have to draw a figure. এখনো আসতেছে কেমন লাগে এখন এরপর থেকে আমি শুরু করার 5 মিনিটস এর পর আর কাউকে অ্যালাউ করব না ডিস্টার্ব করে শুধু আচ্ছা any side of a triangle, so we have to draw a figure about this theorem. Firstly, given statement is if any side of a triangle is divided internally, you have to marks about this point divided internally the line segment from the point of division opposite vertex bisect that the angle at that vertex. Okay, so that মানে অ্যাঙ্গেলটাকে বাইসেক্ট করে সেটাই দেখাতে হবে। সো ফিগারটা কি আছে এখানে? If we draw a figure, firstly you have to draw a triangle ABC. Okay, if we draw a triangle ABC like this, you just draw a triangle ABC. Okay, AD, a line segment AD, a line segment is AD in triangle
তার উপরে ওই দাগটা কিসের জন্য?
ABC and the line segment AD from vertex A divides BC at D such that BD is to DC equal BA is to AC. So we have to prove that We have to prove that angle VAD equal angle CD, so that here AD will be a bisector of an angle BAC. Clear? So one more, dear students, be conscious here the triangle ABC. ABC is the triangle, and AZ, in this case AD is any line segment drawn from the vertex A to the line BC, which the AD line bisects such as way that BD is to DC. BD is to DC equal B is to AC. The proof requirements is angle BAD equal angle CAD. The proof requirements is angle BAD equal angle CAD. Clear? Now, it is our proof requirements, and now we have a construction. Draw a parallel line CE. Draw a parallel line CE which intersect the extended part of B at the point E. We have to draw a parallel line C. Here, DA is parallel to C. Okay, construction. We have to draw a parallel line parallel line C, which is parallel to DA. Okay, and this line C intersects the extended part of B at the point E. There. Now BCE is any triangle. So proof requirements. Proof for triangle BC, we get DA parallel C. DA parallel C by construction for this reason, and also we know that BA by AE equal VD by DC. VD by DC by theorem. If any straight line of any triangle, for any triangle, any line segment is parallel to any side. Here it is parallel to C. For this reason, we know that this line intersects the two straight line B and BC at the point A and D respectively. For this case, we know that BA by AE equal BD by DC. Okay. As we know in previous that if any straight line parallel to one side of any triangle, here it is parallel to C. For this case, A and D are the intersect point of the respective side B and CD. For this case, BA by AE equal BD by DC, we know. But presently, given condition of this statement is BD by DC equal BA by AC. Okay. Presently, the given condition in the in this particular enunciation that BD by DC, AD is such a straight line. For this case, AD bisect BC such a way that BD by DC equal BA by AC. So once time we get BD by DC equal BA by AC, also we get BD by DC equal BA by E. So left side of the first case and right side of the second case are equal. For the BD by DC equal BA by A, and also BD by DC equal BA by AC. For this reason, we can write BA by A equal BA by AC. Hence, B and B are equal, omitted from both sides, so that we can write AC equal A. We can write AC equal A. In this case, AC equal A. If two sides of any triangle, are equal, then the base angle are equal. Here, AC and A equal. Since AC are A equal, so that we can write for this case angle AEC equal angle AC. Angle AC equal angle.
Sorry, Tabar Bulbul.
Okay. When two sides, if any triangle is isosceles, you know that if any triangle is isosceles, mean AB equal AC, then their base angles are equal. Angle ABC equal angle ACB. You know, here A equal AC, A side and AC side are equal. So hence AC and AC are equal angle. So we can write when AC equal A, then AC equal AC. From here we get A equal AC. For this case, we can write angle AC equal angle AC. AC equal angle AC. Okay. By angles of isosceles triangles are equal. But we know that AC equal AD. But we know that angle AC, here angle AC equal angle BAD, because both are the corresponding angle. Which angle? Both are corresponding angle. How can we write these two angles are equal? Here angle AC mean this angle and angle BAD is this angle. If we draw two parallel sides like this, AD and C, and this line is they are transversal, then angle BAD and angle AC is our angle BAD and angle AC are correspondingly equal. So both angles are corresponding angle. Similarly, AC, angle AC equal angle AC mean this angle, AC equal angle CAD. ACD equal angle CAD. So that we can write now angle BAD equal angle CAD. When angle BAD and CAD are equal, then AD is the bisector of angle BAC. It is directly proved that it is the bisector of angle BAC. So that AD is the bisector of angle BAC. Please have any question or any doubt? Please ask me. Shahnaz? Shahnaz,
sir.
have any question? Any problem to understand this theorem?
No, sir.
Ar-Rafi?
Yes, sir. স্যার
If you
আমার না
have
স্যার
any
এখানে স্যার
question,
স্যার একটু স্যার আরেকবার করে বলে দেন।
one more.
আমার নেটওয়ার্ক ব্যান্ডউইথ অনেক লো দেখাচ্ছে।
Okay. One more. Alok Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand this theorem?
Yes, sir.
Have any clarification? You can ask me. Okay, I have no question. Later I come back to ask something about this theorem. If you ensure that all of you understand this theorem very easily and haven't any question or any doubt, you have to ensure by answering by my question. Okay, whenever I asked you. Firstly, I want to ask Mr. Shahnaz. Mr. Shahnaz. Shahnaz.
জি স্যার বলেন স্যার আমি তো
You better understand this theorem so that you haven't any question. Firstly, you answer me. What is the statement of this theorem?
স্যার এক মিনিট স্যার
1 minute. And Ar-Rafi? Abrar Islam Sanvi.
Yes, sir.
What is the statement of this theorem, please?
So, statement of this theorem: if any side of a triangle is divided internally, the line segment from the point of division to the opposite vertex bisects the angle at the vertex.
Okay, thank you. But you see this theorem, you see this figure, ABC is our triangle, okay? So, what is this? What is this AD? And what is the proof requirements? AD is the line segment, okay?
Yes, sir.
And what is the given for this given statement? And in the given figure, what purpose the line segment AD in this theorem?
Sir, divided internally, the side.
AD is divided internally. Are you sure? Divide internally with?
Sir, side BC.
such as hot purpose, it divides the side BC. And what is the requirements of this theorem? What is the proof requirements? What is the proof requirements?
Sir, AD is the bisector of angle
No.
BAC.
You aren't sure. And Raigul Maktum. Absent. Very bad. Very bad. Adib 7503.
Sir,
Answer me. What is the
Yes,
proof
sir.
requirements?
sir, the proof requirements is, sir, sir, it is required to prove that AD bisects angle BAC. That means, sir, angle BAD equals to angle CAD.
Thank you. You have done well done. Thank you. And Arjun, can you hear me? Rahat,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
can you hear me? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why? How can we write this? That BA by AC equal BD by DC. Why? Why can we write this? BA by AC equal BD by DC.
From Theorem 28.
Theorem 28, but I want to know how can we write this? Okay. On which base to write this? Because you know that AD is the bisector. You know that if AD is the bisector of angle BAC and this bisector line internally divide the side VC at the point D such as BD by DC equal BA by C. Okay, it was given and it was proved the last theorem 29. But now we have to prove the converse condition. Converse condition because of here is given the line segment AD such as divide the side BC BD to DC equal VS to AC, so that AD is a bisector of angle BSC. But previous theorem we know that AD was the bisector, but now this statement was the proof requirements of the previous statement, previous theorem, but now it is the given part, but proof requirements is AD is the bisector of angle BSC. So that, dear students, one more I discuss about this theorem. Firstly, you know that ABC is any kinds of triangle, and it is any line segment which divides the side BC at the form BD by DC equal B by AC. Now draw the figure. If we please figure AC. Okay. In this figure, ABC is any triangle. It is the any line segment which intersect the side BC at the form BA by AC equal BD by DC. We have to prove that it is the bisector of angle BAC. So that bisector mean if it is the bisector of angle BAC, then we can say that BAD equal CAD. We have to prove this. Hence, AD will be the bisector of angle BAC. Firstly, construction is if you draw a side C. If you draw a side C which is parallel to DA, just now we draw a side C which is parallel to DA. Now, and which intersect the extension part of BA at the point E. This parallel side C which intersect the extension part of BA at the point E. Now, we know that proof form. We know that for triangle BC, here DA parallel C. In this case, we can say that BA by AE equal BD by DC. As we know from the previous theorem, if any straight line parallel to any side of any triangle, then the line segment at the intersecting point are internally divided proportionally. So that BA by A equal BD by DC, as we know. But our given condition is this, that BA by AC equal BD by DC. It is given presently, so that here the right side BD by DC equal BA by AE, and here the right side BD by DC equal BA by AC. From the left side, on both of this case, left side here BA by AE equal, here we get BA by AC. Hence we can say that A equal AC. We can say that A equal to AC, and A and AC are the two sides of the triangle AC. A and AC are the two sides of the triangle AC. When these two sides are equal, then this triangle is called isosceles triangle. And isosceles triangle, equal side on the base angles are equal, so that we can say that angle AC equal, we can say that angle AC equal angle AC. Okay, angle AC equal angle AC. But just now we know if DA parallel C, DA line is parallel is the C line, and if BE is the transversal, then this angle and this angle are BAD angle and AC angle are correspondingly equal. So these are the corresponding angle. Again, when D line and C line, and you adjust this figure with this figure, original figure, I just partially draw the figures to make you understand. When AD and C is the parallel and AC is the transversal, then angle CAD and then angles AC are alternately equal. So the angle CAD equal angle AC. Just now we can say that from this equation AC equal AC, here we get AC equal BAD and AC equal CAD. For this case, these two angles are equal, so that we can write angle BAD equal angle CAD. Angle BAD equal angle CAD. Hence, whenever angle BAD and angle CAD are equal, then AD is the bisector. It is the bisector of angle BAC. Is it clear, everybody? No question. Thank you. Next theorem. We have finished the theorem 31. We start another theorem 32. The theorem 32 is the statement. Oh, here is the fourth theorem. 31 is the last theorem, and the next exercise is similarity. 31 theorem 32 is, what is the 32? Two triangles. If two triangles, on the time kintu session dike, two triangles
Sir, what about
are
exercise?
equiangular. Their matching sides are proportional. Do you know about this matter? What is equiangular? Why the two triangles are called equiangular? Because of if corresponding angles of both triangles are equal, then these two triangles are called equiangular triangle. If we draw a figure, let us consider two triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Okay, if we consider two triangle ABC and DEF, why these two triangles are equiangular? Equiangular mean if angle A equal angle D, angle B equal angle E, and angle C equal angle F, then triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equiangular. And when called, these two triangles are similar. Similar mean if the ratio of the corresponding side are equal. AB by D equal BC by EF equal AC by DF. Here is the one condition is matching side. What do you mean by matching side? Matching side means corresponding side. Here AB is corresponding with D, AC is matching with DF, and BC is matching with DF. And this is the proportionally mean is both triangles are similar proportionally. Matching sides are proportionally. It means the two triangles are similar to each other. Okay, here has given the triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equiangular. We have to show that both triangles matching sides are proportional, or we can say that both triangles are similar to each other. Okay, it was the requirements to prove. Okay, just now we have to prove these matters, so we have to draw a figure. Similarly, previous figure, we can one more draw this figure. Any triangle ABC. Firstly, you have to draw any triangle like ABC. And another angle like similar DEF. Okay, another triangle is DEF. So it is the triangle ABC and it is the triangle DEF. On the time price শেষের দিকে সবাই একটু খেয়াল করো, and given that special nomination এখানে কি দেওয়া আছে, triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equiangular, hence angle A equal angle D, angle B equal angle E, and angle C equal angle F. Okay, proof requirements. AB by D equal BC by EF equal AC by DF. It is our proof requirements. We have to prove this. Firstly, draw the if we cut D equal AP. If we defined any point P and from here we define another point Q, whereas AP equal D and AQ equal DF. Now joint P comma Q. Joint P comma Q. Okay, it is our construction. From the triangle ABC, we consider a point P such as AP equal G, and also we consider a point Q from the AC, which is GF equal AQ, and finally join these 2 points P and Q. Now we can compare the 2 triangles APQ and triangle DF. Proof. Firstly, we compare the triangle APQ and triangle DEF. What is the comparison? Here we have got AP side equal D side and AQ side equal DF side. We know that, and another matter is angle A. Angle A equal angle D. Here we have got between these 2 triangles, 2 sides are equal correspondingly, and 1 angles are correspondingly equal. Angle A equal angle D. We know that here because of these 2 triangles ABC and DF are equiangular. For this case, we can say that angle A equal angle D, and according to the construction, AP equal D, AQ equal DF. So 2 sides and 1 angles are equal. Then these 2 triangles are congruent. Triangle APQ congruent triangle DEF by angle side theorem. Side angle side theorem. We can say these 2 triangles are congruent. Hence, the third side PQ equal EF. We can write PQ side is equal to EF side. Okay, and therefore, in this case, so angle APQ equal angle DEF, because of both triangles are congruent, equal APQ equal DF, and DF is equal angle ABC. Okay, and similarly angle AQP equal angle DFE equal angle ACB because of DFE is equal angle ACB. We know that because of angle C equal angle F. That is corresponding angles produced as a result of intersection of AB and AC by the line segment PQ. Therefore, PQ parallel for this case, PQ must be parallel to BC. PQ must be parallel to BC, and hence whenever PQ is parallel to BC, for this case we can write that AB by AP equal AC by AQ. Hence we can write AB by AP equal AC by AQ, or AB by D equal AC by DF. Okay, we can write this, and hence from both of these cases we can ensure that. Similarly, if we cut from this VA equal from the VA, we can cut D, and from BC if we cut EF, we can show that VA by ED equal BC by EF. Similarly, we can show that VA by Similarly, we can show that if we cut from BA equal ED, ED equal from BA, if we cut the length of the side ED, and similarly from the side BC, if we cut equal length of BF, and in this case we can show that BA by ED equal BC by EF. Hence, from the above these two statements, we can easily show that AB by D equal BC by EF equal AC by DF. Okay, that is our required proof. So dear students, if you have any question, please ask me. Abrar Islam, Sanvi, Raikul Maktub, Rahat, Arjun Rahman, Mir Abrar, Mahil Labib. Hello, Mahil Labib. Mahil Labib. Azwat. Tanim. Tanim.
Sir.
কে তানিম
স্যার
এত লেট কেন?
না স্যার, আমার মাইকে একটু প্রবলেম।
আচ্ছা, আমি যা বুঝালাম তুমি কি শুনতে পেয়েছো?
জি স্যার, সব শুনছি।
ওকে, বুঝতে পারছো কি করলাম?
জি স্যার।
তাহলে বলো এটা প্রুফ রিকোয়ারমেন্টসটা কি ছিল? হোয়াট ইজ দ্য প্রুফ রিকোয়ারমেন্টস ইন দিস থিওরেম? বলতে পারবা? আবার হারাই গেল। আজওয়াত, আজওয়াত, আজওয়াত কোথায়? আলোক, আলোক আব্দুল্লাহ,
স্যার
তুমি কি বুঝতে পারছো আমি কি বুঝাইলাম?
স্যার
আচ্ছা, ডিসক্রাইব করো তো ম্যাটারসটা, দেখি তোমার সাথে ডিসকাস করি।
here
What is the proof requirements and how can we prove this? Okay, please let us start.
at first we have to take that two triangles ABC and DEF which are unequal. Here the angle A is equal to angle D and the
Why you can say this? How can you say this, that angle A equal angle D, angle B equal angle E, angle C equal angle F? What which requirements do you can see this?
sir, it is given that the angles of the triangle are equal.
No. You have to say that equal, but why they are equal? ABC and D in triangle, both triangle, angle A equal angle D, B equal E, C equal F. Why these angles are equal to each other? Why? Because of
these two triangles are equiangular.
Yes, you have to mention this, that triangle ABC and triangle DEF are
Equiangular.
equiangular. For this reason, we can say angle A equal angle D, angle B equal angle E, angle C equal angle
Yes.
F. And proof requirements is, please tell me, what is the proof requirements?
We have to prove that the matching sides are proportional.
Matching sides are proportional. Okay, Abdullah, thank you. Matching sides are proportional mean both triangles are similar. When matching sides are proportional, then the two triangles, another terms you have to know what is the similarity between the two triangles. When the matching sides are proportional, AB by D equal BC by EF equal AC by DF. That is the condition, is matching sides are equal to, we have to prove this, and it is called the similarity of two triangles. Okay, it is called the similarity. And what is the description of construction?
We have to cut AB at a point so that
B equal D. Okay.
is equal to D.
Yes.
Similarly, we have to cut at